Grass is the party field. That beautiful tree right in front of you, it is called the party tree. Now that tree in particular is very special to us. It is of course one of the main reasons that Peter Jackson chose this location in the first place. He wanted a large body of water that was right next to a very tall, round and symmetrical tree that they could use for the party tree for Bilbo's 111th birthday party. So that of course is what they filmed down on that field. That tree however is a radiata pine and it is approximately 110 years old. So a very beautiful old tree, especially by New Zealand standards at least. But down on that field they had approximately 100 extras help them film that scene. Now Peter Jackson and his company, they liked to use locals as their extras when they went around filming. It was just easier for them. So a lot of people in the background of that shot were Matamata, Cambridge or Hamilton locals. Some of them even friends and family. So for a lot of them it genuinely was like one big party. They filmed over 3 nights, only 3 minutes of which of course made it into the movies. But down on the field they had tables of food laid out for everyone to eat, tables of soft drink and soda for the kids to drink to keep them awake all night. And they did of course have plenty of beer for the adults. But imagine with me, if you have the adults constantly sipping away at beer for filming, for 3 nights in a row, 8 to 10 hour film shoots. You can imagine how that might go. But of course they realized this well in advance and they actually did have a beer handcrafted specifically just for those 3 nights of filming. It looked like a real beer of course, but it was only 1% in alcohol, and someone thought they were really funny and they called it a sobering thought. So that was what they drank for those 3 nights. Now guys, a sobering thought is still made, but it is only available in the South Island, Christchurch and Queenstown from what I've been told. So unfortunately we do not have it here for you to try at the Green Dragon today, but from what I've heard, maybe not such a bad thing. Apparently it tastes absolutely terrible anyway. But we'll make our way around this little path, guys. I'll meet you again at that beautiful yellow door right over there.